like to call for the undivided attention of all of our guests to the center of the dance floor for just a few moments. Good evening and welcome to the very beautiful Venetian as we come together this evening to celebrate with Destiny and Christopher tonight. So you guys know the drill, this side of the room, everybody down this side of the dance floor. If you guys are ready to have a wonderful time, eat, drink, dance, celebrate, everything this side of the room only, clap those hands and make a little noise. Table 7's about to go crazy, I feel it. You guys are gonna bring it up a little bit more, so for this one, I need both sides of the room. And now it's about that time to welcome the proud parents tonight. We got a little beat in the back, clap to the beat, that's right. Clap those hands and focus your attention to the double door entranceway up near that DJ booth. And when you hear the name or names of some people that you love, show banners of our handsome groom tonight. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for Jay and Linda Murphy. Your attention back to that entranceway as we welcome to the celebration beautiful bridesmaid Christina Nevis being escorted by usher Tristan. Leave that. Something's not right. Being escorted by usher Sean Stiles. Let's hear it. Talk about beautiful bridesmaid Kelly Aspinwall being escorted by usher Brandon Crum. Love that tonight. Now, if I'm doing the math correctly, it looks like we're only missing 2 people right about now. So the question I have for everybody is a simple one. Are you ready? Oh, no. Oh, definitely not. I said, are you ready for the bride and groom tonight? Come on. Everybody clap those hands to the beat. We're almost ready for them to come in, but not just yet. This song tonight is very special because it arose the 21st night of September. That's how we got to this moment right now in time. Your undivided attention. This time, pleasure to welcome to the celebration right now. This is Murphy. Here they come. We got one. Here he comes. Watch out. Hands up. Hands up. Here he goes. See? Wedding party to the center. Let's dance it out. The bride has no idea what their wedding song is. Our groom wanted to dedicate a song to her. And that song is a beautiful one. It's Beautiful Crazy by Luke Combs. A round of applause for our happy couple tonight. Let them feel that love.
Day starts with a coffee, ends with a wine, takes forever and getting beautiful, crazy, she can't help but
See
you can, everybody.